G'day everyone, today I'm making some hot pink. And we've got some yellow paint here, some red paint here, and then we have some white. I've got some yellow paint here, some red paint and white paint. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the yellow and the red and the white together, but I'm going to add it slowly, okay? So a bit of yellow, alright, and a bit of red. Add this to the paper. Right. Add some more red. Okay. Add some more red and a bit of yellow. Add more red. Okay, add a bit more red and a bit more yellow. There you go guys, that's my hot pink colour. I hope you liked my video. Please subscribe, we'll see you all later.